सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु महाविद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः एंड वेलकम टू 278th क्लास अष्टसप्तत्युत्तरद्विशततमी कक्षा अद्य एप्रिल मासस्य 8 दिनाङ्कः। वयमत्र सुभाषितानि पठामः। सुभाषितानाम् अभ्यासं पठनम् अर्थावगाहनम् एतत् क्रियते अस्माभिः। गतकक्षायां प्रारब्धम् एतत् पठनं सुभाषितानाम्। एतानि सुभाषितानि भिन्नेभ्यः ग्रन्थेभ्यः तत्र रचितानि सन्ति, गृहीतानि सन्ति। कानिचन मनोः धर्मशास्त्रात् मनोः मनुतः, कानिचन सामान्य सुभाषितानि, कानिचन हितो पंचतंत्र महानीतिशास्त्रात् हितोपदेश ग्रंथात् गृहीतानि सन्ति। तत्र भिन्नानि सुभाषितानि सन्ति। अत्र एकं सुभाषितं अन्येन सुभाषितेन समानात् पुस्तकात् गृहीतमस्ति। सो कानिचित् सुभाषितानि सुप्रसिद्धानि सन्ति, कानिचन न सन्ति इति मन्ये। So different subhashitas have been taken here. Some are from the famous Niti Shastras like Panchatantra and Hitopadesha. Some are from Manu Dharma Shastra like that, and some are very famous, some are not that famous. So we are reading. You can read Srinivas on page 570, last sloka. Lokayatra.
Lokayatra
Bhayam
lajja dakshinyam dharmashilata panchayatra na vidyante na kurya tatra
samsthitim sthitim samsthitim न कुर्यात् तत्र संस्थितिं वासं न कुर्यात् तत्र इति अर्थः। लोकयात्रा भयम् एकं लोकयात्रा, द्वितीयं भयं, तृतीयं लज्जा, दाक्षिण्यं चतुर्थं, धर्मशीलता पंचमम्। एतानि पंच यत्र न विद्यन्ते, यत्र यस्मिन् प्रदेशे न विद्यन्ते, न भवन्ति, न वर्तन्ते। लोकयात्रा न भवति यत्र, भयं यत्र न भवति, लज्जा यत्र न भवति, दाक्षिण्यं यत्र न भवति, धर्मशीलता यत्र न भवति, पंच यत्र न विद्यन्ते। न विद्यन्ते नाम न भवन्ति इति, न वर्तन्ते, न सन्ति। न कुर्यात् तत्र, तत्र तस्मिन् प्रदेशे न कुर्यात्। किं न कुर्यात्? संस्थितिं, वासं न कुर्यात्, निवासं न कुर्यात् इति। तादृशे प्रदेशे तत्र मीन्स् तादृश प्रदेशे वसतिं संस्थितिं नाम वसतिं, निवासं न कुर्यात् मानवः, मनुष्यः। तादृशे देशे, तादृशे स्थले, तादृशे ग्रामे वा पट्टणे वा नगरे वा यत्र एतानि पंच न विद्यन्ते, कानितानि एकं लोकयात्रा भयं लज्जा दाक्षिण्यं धर्मशीलता यत्र न विद्यन्ते न तत्र कुर्यात्। किं न कुर्यात्? वासं न कुर्यात्, निवासं न कुर्यात् इति। सरलः अर्थः, meaning is very simple, that one should not live in a place where these 5 things are not there. What are the 5 things? Lokayatra, traveling around in the city, traveling. Lokayatra, Lokanam Yatra, people's journey or social journey, you can say. Loka means society also. where you cannot move about, to know people, travel. Bhayam, where there is no fear, where there is no lajja. Lajja means shyness. Then dakshinyam, where there is no charity. And finally, dharmashilata, where there is no virtue. Where there is no dharmashilata, virtue. Where pancha yatra na vidyante, yasmin pradeshe na vidyante, tasmin pradeshe na vasam athava samsthitim nama nivasam na kuryat. There you should not live. There are so many slokas which tell where to live, where not to live in Mahabharata also. So one such poem this is. So here what is the numeral sankhya? Only one shabda is there, pancha. So in common the pancha is used. Pancha has no distinction in gender, na, you know. Pancha balaha, pancha balikaha, pancha pustakani. You know that. Pancha does not have gender. So therefore it is used like that. Vidyante kuryat is a potential mode, tatra na samsthitim. Yes. Very simple sloka. Then go to next.
Shat doshaha purusheneha hatavya bhuti michhata nidra tandra bhayam krodha alasyam dirgha
Sutrita. This is also a very famous poem. Maybe Panchatantra or some such book, or in Mahabharata also you may get it. Shad, it becomes Shad doshaha purushena iha asmin loke. Iha means iha samsare. Iha para, you know. Shad doshaha purushena plus iha. Savarnadiresandi. Purushena plus iha. Purusheneha, Gunasandhi. Purushena plus iha. Purusheneha, iha nama asmin samsare. Hatavyaha, visarga lopa. Hatavya. Hatavya nama tyaktavyaha. Shad doshaha santi. Ye doshaha purushena tyaktavyaha santi. Tyajaniyaha. Tyaktavyaha santi. Ke te doshaha idanim tesham sankhya. Prathamah doshah पुनः तत्र एकम् अन्यत् पदमस्ति भूतिमिच्छता भूतिं नाम तत्र उन्नतिं स्वोन्नतिं प्रगतिं स्व उन्नतिं इच्छता मनुष्येण पुरुषेण भूतिं उन्नतिं इच्छता मनुष्येण पुरुषेण is already there in the sloka. Shad doshaha purushena iha hatavyaha bhutim ichchata. Ichchata is going with purushena. Ichchata is tritiya ekavachana. This is a shatru pratyayanta which we are going to study immediately. Maybe next 2 classes we will take up. Shatru pratyayanta. Ichchata means by one who is wishing. A man who is wishing. Purushena is then a tritiya, that you can understand. Purushena ichchata. Both are in tritiya ekavachana. Kim ichchata purushena? Bhutim ichchata purushena. Prosperity ichchata purushena. Person who is wishing his own prosperity, 6 defects, 6 demerits must be given up. Shad doshaha hatavyaha tyaktavyaha. Bhutim, unnatim, pragatim, ichchata purushena. Now you number them. Ekaha doshaha, shatsu dosheshu, pratamaha doshaha nidra. Nidra hatavya, tyaktavya, nidra, tyaktavya. Then you may say how to live if you give up nidra. Atinidra, let us take. Nidra hatavya. Tandra. Nidra is akaranta strilinga. Tandra is also akaranta strilinga. Tandra, laziness. Sleep, laziness. Sleep does not mean here total sleep, but oversleep. Tandra, laziness. Bhayam, bhayam, hatavyam. If you take ha to Tyage, Srinivas. Ha is a dhatu here. Bhayam hatavyam, tyaktavyam, nidra tyaktavya, tandra tyaktavya, bhayam tyaktavya, krodha tyaktavya, hatavya, krodha. We know krodha is an internal enemy that is there in our culture. Harishad Vargas, we say there are 6 internal enemies of mankind: Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Mada, Matsarya, etc. So Krodha is there. Krodha is very dangerous. Now the modern science also coming to tell us that when a man becomes angry, there is so much damage done to the nervous system. So many secretions are released in the brain which damage his health the moment one becomes angry. So anger is all damaging. So bhaya, krodha, alasyam. Alasyam is idleness, not doing anything. Laziness, idleness, both are interrelated. What is tandra is there already. One is there, the other will be automatically there. Tandra is, we said, laziness. If laziness is there, there will be idleness. You will not be doing anything. Alasyam. What is called?
Delay? Delay is not called alasyam.
No. The alasyam we understand in Telugu as delay. No, not. Because of idleness, we attach the meaning of delay in Telugu Bhasha. Alasyam is sloth, English, sloth, sloth. Being idle. And the antimaha, panchamaha doshaha kaha? Dirgha sutrita. Dirgha sutrita means postponing things, postponement of things. It is called in English procrastination. Dirgha sutrita is a very big word in English. Procrastination, very big. In simple terms, postponement. So postponing things will come from the right to left. Alasyam, idleness, sloth, krodha. Actually, krodha should not be translated with anger, Srinivas. I must have told in some of the class, there is a difference between kopa and krodha. I told you, remember, kopa is anger, krodha is rancor or rage. There are so many words in English. Intensified anger is called krodha. And krodha is the outcome of kama. Kamat sanjayate krodha. Shastram pramanam, Gita Shastram. Kamat sanjayate krodha. So when there is a desire to possess things, enjoy things, and if you do not get that, then krodha is born out of it. But kopa is on and off, we get angry with our children, teacher gets angry with his students, mother gets angry with her children, father gets angry with his own children. That is kopa, where the damage is the feeling is not intense. So that is so sometimes I give the word kopa is mild anger, krodha is wild anger. Rancor, there are English words are there, rancor, rage, some such words are there. Anyway, so simple, na? Shad. How many doshas are there? Nidra, tandra, bhayam, krodha. Prathamaha dosha nidra, dvitiya dosha tandra, trutiya dosha bhayam, chaturtha dosha krodha, panchamaha dosha alasyam, shashta dosha dirgha sutrita. Iti shad doshaha santi. Iti shad doshaha purushena bhuti vichchata purushena na sarvena purushena na sarvena purushena parantu yaha purushaha bhutim ichchati tadrushena purushena eva tyaktavayaha santi. Shad doshaha tyaktava. Very simple. Well, these are all negative qualities which must be driven out from the brain. That's it. Next poem we can take.
Kugrama vasaha kunarendra seva kubhojanam
krodha mukhi cha bharya
daridriya
bhavad
vimukham cha
mitram
षड् जीवलोके नरका भवन्ति.
So this poem goes to tell us that what are the things which become like naraka in our life, which become hellish to our life. Jivaloke in our life, naraka bhavanti, they become hellish, hells. Now, kugrama vasaha, prathamaha kugrama vasaha, living in a bad village. Kutsite grame vasaha, kugrama vasaha, living in a bad village where people are not. Village means people, city means people, country means people, isn't it?
Actually, in Telugu, Kugrama is a small village.
In Telugu. Ku in Sanskrit means bad. Ku bhojanam, ku vastram, ku vasaha, etc. Kugrama vasaha, living in a bad village. Ku narendra seva, and serving a bad king, a wicked king. Ku narendra. Kutsitaha narendraha, bad narendra. Narendra means king. Naranam indraha, narendraha. So serving a bad king or bad government, you can say, no, present day. Ku bhojanam, everywhere ku is coming. Opposite of ku is su. Sugramaha, subhojanam, supraja, supraja we say, supraja rama. Su narendra, suraja. Suraja we don't say, but su narendra you can say. So ku bhojanam, bad food, stale food. Krodha mukhi cha bharya, wife who is always with an angry face, who is always angry, whose face is full of anger. Krodha mukhi. So 5 things are there, I think. Shad. Oh, one more thing is there. Daridriya bhavat. Daridriya bhavat. Acha. That is not the 6th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bharya is 5th. 6th one is Daridriya bhavat, due to poverty. Daridriya bhavat, not abhavat here. Daridriya bhavat, due to poverty. On account of poverty. Daridriya bhavat. Daridriya karanat iti artha. Bhavat nama daridriya karanat vimukam cha mitram. Because of poverty, even a friend becomes hostile, indifferent.
Vimukam cha mitram is
Vimukam cha mitram.
that is the 6th one, sir.
Yeah, that is the 6th one. A mitra who is a friend becomes vimukha. He becomes totally hostile, inimical to you because of daridriya bhavat, because of poverty. See, even friendship can sustain on the principle of give and take. So if there is friendship, you know, X gives Y, Y sometimes has to give. If X only goes on feeding Y friend, then it will not sustain for a long time. Sometime Y also has to entertain X. So adana pradhana should be there. So here what is the reason given? Daridriya bhavat mitram vimukam. He becomes vimukha. He becomes totally hostile to you because of your poverty. Then shad jivaloke naraka bhavanti. These become hells in our life. In our day-to-day life, jivaloka, in this world, these 6 things become hell only. So what are the things? Living in a bad village. Ku grama vasaha, ku narendra seva, ku raja seva, dushta raja seva, ku bhojanam, kussitam bhojanam, krodha mukhi cha bharya. Bharya sada yaha krodha vishta bhavati. Daridriya karanat vimukam cha mitram. Etani shad jivaloke naraka bhavanti. These become naraka, hell, hells. Very simple. Shad is the number here. So like that you get hundreds and thousands of poems like this written. We are only concerned about the number here. Well, one may not take them very seriously because they are not very. Next poem.
उद्यमं साहसं धैर्यं बुद्धिः शक्तिः पराक्रमः
षडेति
यत्र वर्तन्ते तत्र देवः सहायकृत्.
Some other poem Subhashita is coming to tell God will be there where all these things are there. Udyamam, effort, industry. Udyama is industry. Sahasam is entrepreneurship. Dhairyam, courage. Buddhi, intellect. Shakti, skill or capacity. Parakramaha, valor. How many are? 6 are over.
Yeah.
So Udyamam, what is it?
Industry.
Yeah, industry, being industrious, industry. Sahasam, dashing quality, entrepreneurship. Dhairyam, courage. Buddhi, intellect. Shakti, capability, capacity. And Parakramaha, valor. Well, Shakti, Parakrama are interlinked. Where Shad ete, Shad yatra vartante, ete, ke ete Shad gunaha iti. Ete shabda. Eshaha etau ete, pullinga. Ete is referring to Shad gunaha, qualities. Ete, these, what? Ete Shad gunaha yatra vartante, where they are available. Yatra means yasmin purushe vartante. In whosoever, yasmin kasmin purushe vartante, in whosoever person they are available. Tatra means in that tasmin purushe, tasmin manave, tasmin manushye, devaha sahayakrut. God also comes to help. God comes to your help. Devaha sahayakrut bhavati. Sahayam karoti iti. Now it is very clear. In a man, yasmin purushe udyamam vartate, yasmin purushe sahasam vartate, dhairyam vartate, prajna buddhi vartate, shakti vartate, parakramaha vartate, tasmin purushe eva devaha api dayam karoti. Tameva purusham devaha api sahayam karoti. Tadrushasya purushasya krute eva deva api sahayam karoti. Sahakaram karoti, sahayam karoti. Sahakaroti, upakaroti. Tadrusham purusham eva devaha api upakaroti. Na anyam purusham. Parantu yasmin purushe ete shad gunaha na vidyante. Tadrusham purusham devaha api na upakaroti. Iti sarah. Well, we have something in English now. God helps only those who help themselves. You heard that? God helps only those who help themselves. And that is true even in Rigveda. Narute shrantasya sakhyaya devaha. There is a statement in Rigveda. Narute shrantasya sakhyaya devaha. Gods don't become friendly to a man unless he is totally tired putting in effort. You must become totally exhausted in pursuing your goal or objective in life. Only then God becomes friendly to you or God comes to your rescue. Narute shantasya sakhyaya devaha. Because this is an answer given to no amount of study, no amount of listening. Nayamatma pravachanena labhyo na medhaya na bahuna srutena. You read all the 4 Vedas, use your intellect to the extent possible. Nayamatma pravachanena, by lecturing, na labhya na nayamatma pravachanena labhyo na medhaya, not by your intellect. Na bahuna srutena, not by 4 Vedas, Yameva Vrunute, whomever he selects, there the condition lies. Tena labhyaha, tasya atmanam vivrunoti atmanam. That is, tena labhya. Yameva vrunute, whomever he chooses, God chooses, tena labhyaha, by him only is obtained. Now the question there comes, whom does God choose? In the discussion, whom does God choose? This sloka, mantra from the Upanishad says, you cannot, God is not attained by pravachana, by your medhas, by your intellect, by your study of the Vedas, all the Vedas, but whomever he chooses. Whom does he choose? For that, the answer is this. Nahi rute shantasya sakhyaya deva. Unless a man is totally exhausted, dog tired in pursuing things, he will not be assisted by God. God won't come to your help. Like that is for this, to drive this point home in our Puranas, we have so many stories. In the Mosha Bhakta Prahalada's story, how many trials, how many tests he goes through to come to the final realization of see the God. So that is it. So that is it. But these things are required. So tatra devaha sahayakrit sahayam sahaya karta bhavati. Tatra means tasmin purushe tadrusham purusham iti artha. Next poem.
Satyam mata pita jnanam dharmo bhrata daya sakha shanti patni kshama putraha shadete mama bandhavaha.
This is a different poem. Now the last quarter says shad ete these ete gunaha ete purushaha mama bandhavaha are my relatives. I cannot think where it is from. Satyam, truth. Mata, pita, jnanam. Dharmo, bhrata. Daya, sakha. Now, where 6 are there, Srinivas? How many are there? Count.
Satyam, jnanam, dharmam, daya, shanti, kshama.
How many are there?
6.
6 are over.
Yeah.
Satyam,
Jnanam, dharma, then daya, shanti, kshama.
how you are counting? How you are counting? Satyam is 1.
Satyam, then jnanam, sir. Then dharma, dharmo, then daya, 4 are over. Then shanti, then second name kshama. 2 are there.
Acha, you are counting like that.
Is considering as these things as
Satyam, Jnanam, Dharmo, Bhrata, Daya. Abstract things. First abstracting Daya for Shantihi. Kshama is 6. But why these relations are Mata, Pita, Bhrata, Sakha, Patni, Putra, Shadete, Mavavana. Okay.
is considering these things as his relatives.
Okay. On one side the poem says qualities, another side relations. No, I was thinking to link Satyam with Mata, Pita with Jnanam, Dharma with Bhrata. No, it won't go. It is not good. No, not that way. Very peculiar sloka it is. Anyway, Satyam, 1 quality, as you correctly said, Jnanam, and then Dharma, 3, Daya, 4, Shanti, 5, Kshama. If you observe, all these are abstract. Abstract means avyakta. Satyam, no form. Then you have Jnanam has no form. Dharma is totally vague. Daya also is abstract. Shanti is also like that. Kshama is also like that. But each one, abstract things are mixed up with concrete things. Vyaktikarana is there. Mata, mother is there. Pita is there. Then you have Bhrata is there. Then you have Sakha is there, friend. Patni is there, Putra, these are all relations. So I think where these 6 are there, these 6 are supposed to be there. We can understand anyway, we like. Liberty is ours, choice is ours. Now, yatra shadete mama bandhava, I said. Satyam jnanam dharmo daya shantihi kshama ete षड गुणाः मम बान्धवाः यत्र एते वर्तन्ते तत्र माता पिता धर्मो सखा भ्राता सखा पत्नी पुत्रः I don't know, but I don't know the अन्वय. अन्वय is not that very comfortable here. Anyway, we'll go by literal meaning, not try to. That's what I said. Some are very good, some are not very popular. So 6 qualities are listed here. 6 are supposed to be my relatives. And relations are there. Matru Shabda, Pitru Shabda, Dharma Shabda, Bhratru Shabda, Sakin Shabda, Shanti, Patni Shabda, Ikaranta, Putra Shabda. Okay, forget about it. Next. And this is a famous one. Niti Shastra.
Lalayet Panchavarshani, Dashavarshani, Tadayet, Prapte tu Shodashe Varshe, Putram Mitra Vadacharet.
Very simple this is. Lalayet Panchavarshani. Now, this is a wonderful poem with regard to bringing up our children. Only thing we should, even I could not do it, implement in life. Lalayet Panchavarshani. You should take care of your son up to 5 years. Lalayet. Do the fondling of your son. Fondle with your son, you know. Bring him like a king. Now, in some text, Rajavat Panchavarshani, it is there. You treat your son like a king for 5 years. Then, after he completes 5 years, treat him like a king. Lalayet means lalana palana. You just love him, fondle him 5 years. Dashavarshani, that is from 6th to, when he completes 5, after 5 to 10 years, when he comes up 15 years. Dashavarshani Tadayet. Rajavat Panchavarshani Dasavat Dashavarshani Praptetu Shoda. There is one more reading. Praptetu Shodashe Varshe Putram Mitravadacharet. Rajavat Panchavarshani. That is more better. And Dasavat Dashavarshani. You treat your son like a king for 5 years, like a slave for 10 years. What do you call train him? You know, train him like a, put him under total control for 10 years like a slave, like a servant. Dasavat Dashavarshani. Praptetu Shodashe Varshe. When he gets 16 years, when he comes of 16 years old, Putram Mitravad Achareti. Treat your son like a friend only. But this is a little different sloka. Meaning is same. Lalayet Panchavarshani, Dashavarshani Tadayet. Tadayet I don't like. Dasavat Panchavarshani. So beat him 10 years, you go on beating him. Beating here means discipline him. Tadana is beat. So discipline him for 10 years. Treat him like a very fondle him, love him for 5 years. Praptetu Shodashe Varshe. This usage will come across maybe in future. Sati Saptami. This is called. Once he reaches 16th year, Praptetu Shodashe Varshe. Once he has reached the 16th year, Putram Mitravat. Mitravat means Mitram Iva. Mitra Iva. Mitram Iva. Like a friend. Acharet. You behave. Treat your son like a friend once he comes of 16 years old, becomes 16 years old. So this is a good poem actually. So there are two patantaras. Another pata I have given you, Rajavat Panchavarshani, Dashavarshani, Dasavat. That is also good. So here is Dasha is there, Pancha is there, Pancha, Dasha, Shodasha. These are the numbers. Everything else is very simple. Varshadi is Napumsakalinga, you know, Varsham, Varshe, Varshani. Thadayet means, Thadana means beating, but beating means like we say Danda. Dandayet we say. Danda is a symbol of punishment. That is why all the cops hold the, even till date, policemen, they carry stick with them. It's a symbol of punishment. The moment any culprit sees, like police in America carrying guns, so they are licensed to carry there. Of course, other people also carry there. But when an ordinary citizen looks at a cop, then fear is there in his mind. So that is a poem. Next poem.
Mataram pitaram cheva yastu karyat pradakshina pradakshini kruta tena saptadvipa vasundhara.
Mataram pitaram chaiva yastu kuryat pradakshinam. So this poem highlights the importance of mother and father, parents. A person who does the pradakshina to his mother and father. Mataram pitaram cha eva chaiva vridhisandhi yahatu visarga yahatu yastu yaha purushaha kuryat pradakshinam. Yaha purushaha manavaha mataram pitaram pradakshinam kuryat karoti. Pradakshini kruta tena purushena tena manavena tena janena tena purushena, by that person, pradakshini kruta tena saptadvipa vasundhara. It is amounting to the earth being done with this saptadvipa vasundhara means this earth which has 7 islands, 7 dvipas, 7 continents, whatever. It is as if a person has done the circumambulation of the entire earth. It is just like the competition between Vinayaka and Kartikeya. Kartikeya goes on his vehicle around the, but Vinayaka just goes around his parents, and it is equivalent to going around the world, something like that. Mataram pitaram chaiva yastu kuryat pradakshina. Whoever does the pradakshina means circumambulation, what you said, about mother and father, it is amounting to pradakshini kruta tena. One who does that, by him pradakshina is already done of the entire earth, which is having 7 dvipas. Pradakshini kruta tena saptadvipa vasundhara. Saptadvipa bhumihi tena pradakshina kruta bhavati. So the whole earth becomes circumambulated rather. So Sapta is number, but the idea is, message is that treat your mother like Veda says, Matrudevo bhava, Pitrudevo bhava, Acharya deva. So first preference in our culture is given to mother and father. They may be good, they may be bad, but mother is mother, father is. The importance should be given because you or I am there because of our mother. Our physical existence is due to our parents. So we are indebted to them for bringing this body into this world. And that is why you treat your mother as God. Matru devo bhava means matuhu devaha, mata devaha yasya saha. A person for whom mother is a God. Pitru devaha, pita devaha yasya saha. A person to whom father is a God. Acharya devo bhava, acharya. So considering mother, father, acharya as teacher, and then the guest. What a concept in a row. But first preference comes to mother only. Next poem you can take up.
Ashto guna purusham deepayanti prajna cha kaulyam cha damah shamascha parakramascha बहुभाषिता
पराक्रमश्च बहुभाषिता च बहुभाषिता च दानं
यथाशक्ति
कृतज्ञता च. Some such poem only, just one of the Subhashitas. Astau guna purusham deepayanti. There are 8 qualities here spoken, which illuminate a person. Purusham deepayanti. Purusham deepayanti means literally they shine him, make him shine. They illuminate him. They are Astau gunaha visarga lopa purusham deepayanti. What are those? Kete Astau gunaha. Ekaha prathamaha gunaha prajna. Prajna is wisdom. Kaulyam. Well, what kind of merging here is there? Prajna, Kaulyam, noble family. Kaulyam means noble birth. Noble, born in a noble family. Damaha, self-control. Shamaha, peace of mind, mind control. Well, Dama means self-control, Shama means peace, peace of mind, etc. One is internal, external control. So Shamadamas. Then Parakramaha, valor. Bahubhashita, speaking lot on all subjects. Bahubhashita means capability to speak on every subject, maybe. Parakramascha bahubhashitacha. And then Danam, charity. Yatha Shakti, according to one's own capacity, Danam, not beyond one's capacity. And finally, Kritagnata, gratitude. See, Kritagnata, you know the word Kritagna? Kritagnaha, Kritagnosmi. Kritam janati iti. One who remembers what is done to you. Krita means done. Gna Shabda is there, na? Letter. Gna means knower. Alpagnaha, Sarvagnaha. We have no words. Sarvagnaha means what? Sarvam janati iti Sarvagnaha. That is the Vyutpatti. That is the Vigrahavakya. That is the explanation for the word Sarvagnaha. Alpagnaha. Alpam janati iti. One who knows little. Little knower. Sarvagnaha, all knower, knower of all things. So like that, Kritagnaha, this is a abstract noun here. Kritagnasya bhavaha kritagnata, gratitude here. Ta is the same formation, Kritagna, Kritagnasya bhavaha, bhavartha, abstract sense it is there. So remembering good done to you is a quality, positive quality. I will tell you one line coming to my mind, Srinivas. Atyalpamapi sadhunam. Listen, this very simple line. Atyalpamapi sadhunam silalekeva tisthati. Atyalpamapi, even the least upakara done to the sadhu, good people. Even if you do the least favor, help to the good people, virtuous people, silalekeva tishtati, it stands there like writing on the rocks, like inscription. It gets inscribed in the minds of the sadhu purushas, good people. Whatever little upakara, help you do to the good people, it will be written in their minds forever, like writing on the stones, which stands the test of time. Jalalekeva nichanam. What a contrast. Shilalekeva, like writing on the stones, good people remember it for all time to come. Jalalekeva nichanam yat krutam tad vinashyati. The moment you do help, it is washed away. Like water, like writing on the waters. You can't write on the water. So nichas, to the nicha, whatever you do, it is washed off. What more? Which is so good. So, atyalpamapi sadhunam shilalekeva tishtati jalalekeva nichanam yat krutam tad vinashyati. I remember that poem. This here is something here said like that. Krutagnata. This I want to add to Krutagnata. What happened? Jalalekeva nichanam. अत्यल्पमपि साधूनां शिललेखेव तिष्ठति जललेखेव नीचानां यत् कृतं तत् विनश्यति यत् कृतं तद् विनश्यति. Wonderful saying. So here, Krutagnata is that. Now you understand the word Krutam janati iti Krutagnaha. Krutagnaha is there, one more word. Gna. Krutam gnanti hanti iti Krutagnaha. One who destroys what you have done. Like Jal-lekeva nichana. So Danam yathashakti Krutagnata. I think this is very simple now. 8 qualities are spoken here. Prajna, Kaulyam, I have explained. Dama, Shama, self-control, body, and then Shama. Kaulyam is noble birth. Kaulyam. Noble family. Parakrama, Bahubhashita. Multilingual, linguist. Bahubhashita means a person who can speak in many languages, many can speak much on any subject, like that we can take. So these are the qualities which bring fame to a person. The idea is these are the things which bring fame to a person. Sometime my teacher, my guru told me, Yoga Prashta, see we all do so many sadhanas, and people do na, pujas and vratas and all. So what will happen to this? He said nothing will happen. This will continue in the next life. If somebody has discontinued due to some reason, so they will be given a suitable life in the next life, next birth. So they will take off. So that is why people are born in good families, big families, and so that they have all the facilities to take off from that, where they left. That is what our guru used to say sometimes. And the pramana is Yoga Prashta, Kshipami Srimatam Gehe, Gita says. I put them in Srimatam Gehe Gruhe. I put them in rich families, rich houses. So being born rich, but people may not appreciate, some people who do not understand the concept of rebirth, they cannot appreciate this. They will say this is all religion, this is all preaching against the social this thing. Not. Next poem is there, one more.
Sheteshu jayate shuraha.
This is also famous one.
Vakta dasha sahasreshu data jayeta va
nava. Jayeta va nava. Now this is also a quite popular story, poem, Subhashitam. Shateshu. Shateshu means in hundreds. In hundreds. Shata manushyeshu. Shatam manushyeshu. Shatam manushyeshu manaveshu. Jayate shuraha. A shuraha, a brave person, is born in hundreds. A brave, this is true only. Not all people are brave. Like there is a principle in political science, they say, mass is ignorant. Mass is ignorant. Whoever is knowledgeable, whoever is dhairyavan, he can become the leader. So a leader has to have dynamism. Why all people cannot become leaders? Not leaders like India. Here, more number of murders, the more popular he becomes. So, Syateshu Jayate Shuraha. A Shura is born among hundreds of people. a brave person. Sahasreshu cha panditaha, and to be a scholar, 1 in thousands is born. Sahasreshu panditaha jayate. That means to be a scholar is not that easy. 1 in thousands may become a scholar. Vakta, and to be a speaker is much more difficult. Dasha sahasreshu, 1 in 10,000s may be a speaker. Like the president of America, US, Barack Obama, wonderful speaker. Wonderful speaker he is. And like our former Prime Minister who is still living, Mr. Vajpayee, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, wonderful speaker. People loved and stayed for hours together, waited for listening to him. Like our Swami of Ramakrishna order, Ranganathananda Swami, wonderful speaker. Chinmayananda Swami. See, Dasha Sahasreshu Vakta. Not all speakers, not all people can speak and attract people. Data, then it comes to Data, donor. Panditaha Dasha Sahasreshu Data. Then finally the sloka says, Data Jayeta Vanava. A donor may be born, may not be born in hundreds, in thousands, in 10,000s. We have to bring that. A donor may be born, may not be born in hundreds, Shateshu va, Sahasreshu va, Dasha Sahasreshu va, Data Jayeta Vanava. Bhagavan eva janati iti. God only knows whether a donor is born in hundreds, thousands or 10,000s. So to be a donor is much more higher than Vakta, than Pandita, than Shura. So in this aspect we should appreciate some of the modern people, millionaires who are donating 50% of their income, like some of the Americans, to social welfare, social welfare. So here some of the subhashitani, kanichana subhashitani atra samaptani santi patitani santi asmavihi. Shateshu sahasreshu, all are saptami bhagavachanas. Shatam is neuter word, Sahasram is neuter, Dasha Sahasra is also there. Data Shabda is Dhatru Shabda, Data Jayeta Va Nava. May be born, may not be born. When we say may not be also automatically. Vaktru Shabda Vakta. So how is the time?
We have 8 more minutes.
Okay. We can start. Subhashita, sorry. No? Yeah, you can take up on the other side. Subhashiteshu Purna Pratyaya Prayoga. Here ordinal numbers we have to locate in these Subhashitas. You can read once,
Prathame narjita vidya, dvitiye narjitam dhanam, tritiye narjitam punyam, chaturthe kim karishyati. I
am reminded of a song in Hindi. बचपन खेल में खोया, जवानी नींद बरसोया, बुढ़ापा देखता रोया, सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है, न हाथी है न घोड़ा है, वहां पैदल ही जाना है. I think some cinema movie, Raj Kapoor's movie, something like that. Prathame means balyavasthayam, prathama avasthayam, जीवनस्य प्रथम अवस्थायाम, बाल्यावस्थायाम, विद्यार्थी अवस्थायाम, na arjita vidya. If vidya is not arjita means earned. Vidyarjana visena, we have a word vidyarjana, earning education. Not now it has become earning money, not education. And there is also an ad, earn while you learn. That is going on. Earning while learning, simultaneously. Learning and earning going together, both. So prathame, prathamasthare, jivanasya prathamasthare, in the first stage of your life, na arjita, savanadira sandhi, na arjita, na sampadita vidya, education not obtained during the first phase of your student life. Dvitiye, in the second phase of your life, dvitiye, second phase of your life, jivanasya dvitiye sthare, dhanam na arjitam, money is also not earned. When you are younger, you are supposed to make money. And that youth is gone in enjoying. So money is not made. Na arjitam. Here again Savarna Krishna. Na arjitam. Na arjitam. No. I am giving sandhi. In the first narjita also na arjita. Na plus arjita. Na plus arjitam. Arjana is making money. Na arjitam dhanam. Here arjita dirgha is there because of vidya. That you make. Trutiye jivanasya sthare. In the third phase of your life, na arjitam punyam. You have not earned any merit, punya, not done any good in your third phase of your life. Chaturthe, in the old age, fourth stage is old age. Chaturthe vardhakye kim karishyati, what will you do? Neither you can earn vidya, nor can you earn money in old age, nor can you do any good. What will you do? You can't do anything. So, chaturthe kim karishyati manavaha? Purusha kim karishyati? Chaturthe vardhakye. So, jivitam chaturtha vibhaktam asti. Kaumaram, Yavanam, and we can say Jara, three stages. Kaumaram, Yavanam, Jara, we say generally. So, Balyam, Kaumaryam, Yavanam, Jara also. You can take 4 stages. Yes, Balyakale. Balyakale na arjita vidya, Kaumara Yavane na arjitam dhanam, Trutiye na arjitam garha grihastha ashrame na arjitam punyam, chaturte ashrame kim karishyati. So here numerical, these ordinal numbers are pratame, dvitiye, trutiye, chaturthe. Yes, or saptami bhakti and ordinals, purana sankhya, purana pratyaya. That means one thing we must note here is that anything and everything must be done according to time. At the time of learning, you must learn. At the time of earning, you must earn. At the time of doing good, you must do. And then everything will be okay. That is what the Sara here, isn't it? You must not, you must go by time. And don't cry in old age seeing your friends coming up in position like the poem song I quoted. 3 minutes, no?
Yes.
No. You just read the second poem.
Vidya shauryam cha dakshyam cha balam dhairyam cha panchamam mitrani
सहजान्याहुर वर्तयन्ति तैर्बुधाः विद्या शौर्यम. हियर okay, where is the संख्या? पूर्ण प्रत्यय पंचम only one. Okay, vidya is vidya, learning. Shauryam, bravery. Dakshyam, dakshyata means charity. Balam is strength, dhairyam is courage, and this is the 5th one, panchamam. So vidya, shauryam, dakshyam, balam, dhairyam cha panchamam, mitrani, sahajani. The poem says these are all your natural friends. A man's friends they are. Like vidya is your really friend. We have so much said about vidya. Na choraharyam na raja bhartruhari suvashitam is there. Na choraharyam na bhratrubhajyam na rajaharyam. Na choraharyam na rajaharyam na bhratrubhajyam vyaye krute vardhata eva nityam vidyadhanam sarvadhanat pradhanam. What a wonderful, I think nobody can say more beautiful than Vidyadhana. Vidya is such a money, such a wealth which cannot be stolen by thieves or dacoits. which cannot be taken away by the king, by the government, which cannot be divided by among the brothers. And the beauty of it is, the more you give it, the more it grows. Yaye krute vardhata eva nityam. The more you spend, the more it grows. There is nothing in the world which grows by way of spending. By way of spending. Everything diminishes by spending. But Vidyadhana, the education, money called education, grows by way of spending. That is the beauty of it. Vidyadhanam, that is why he says, Bhartrihari, Vidyadhanam sarvadhanat pradhanam. That is why among all the wealths, education wealth is the best. So, truly, Vidya, Shauryam, Shaurya is bravery, Dakshami charity, Balam, Dhairyam, Chapanchamam, Mitrani, they are really our friends. Sahajani, they are natural friends. Sahajani Ahuhu, they are said to be our natural friend. Now here Sandhi is Sahajani plus Ahuhu. Sahajani, Sahajam, Sahaje, Sahajani plus Ahuhu. This is a Sandhi called Yanadesha. Sahajanyahuhu Vartayanti Jivanti Hi Taihi. There is Visarga Sandhi. Taihi Budhaha. Budhaha Panditaha. Taihi Gunaihi. Taihi Mitraihi. Sahajamitraihi Vartayanti Jivanti. So, Buddha means here learned people live with these natural friends. What natural friends? These five friends. Vidya, Buddha Jivanti. Kena Jivanti? Taihi Jivanti. Taihi Pancha Gunaihi Jivanti. Pancha Sahaja Mitra Sadrusha Gunaihi Jivanti. Taihi Nama, Taihi Pancha Mitra Sadrusha Gunaihi Jivanti. Vidya, Vijaya, bravery. Shaurya Chakra is there, one award. So, Vidyaya Jivanti, Shauryena Jivanti, Dakshena Jivanti, Balena Jivanti, Dhairyena Jivanti. Etani Sarvani api Mitrani eva santi. Kesham Vishaye Buddhanam Panditanam Pragnanam Vishaye. Pragnaha Buddhaha Taihi Sahaja Mitraihi Panchabihi Sahaja Mitraihi Jivanti. Vartayanti means they live on. They get on their life. Okay? We'll stop here. Shivam Bhuyat.